I want to list out to you 20 platforms that you can join as an affiliate marketer and make money from it. So I will just list them out and make some a bit of introduction of those platforms, and then you make your choice. So if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and if you have any comments, if you have any question, please drop in the comment section. Let's get started. So the first one I want to list out here is A2 Hosting. This is a hosting platform that you can join as an affiliate and promote their hosting packages and make money from it. The website again is A2 Hosting. The second one here in my list is AIO SEO. The full meaning is all in one SEO. It's an SEO platform that you can promote to people and then make money from it. The next one is Astra. Astra here is a website builder. You use Astra to build website for free. So you promote this to people that don't have knowledge of coding or of website. So if you use Astra can build a website, a professional website for you without any coding. So you can promote this to people and make money from it. The next one here in my list is ShareAsell. ShareAsell here is an affiliate marketplace. This is an affiliate marketplace like ClickBank, like Amazon, like name them. So ShareAsell here is another great affiliate marketplace with different types of products. So you can sign up on ShareAsell. So I think I can open this for you and show you what I mean. So give me a minute. So this is my ShareAsell account. So here in you have different categories. Look at it: accessories, ads, auctions, automail. Just name them. They have all types of products you can promote. So ShareAsell here is another alternative for ClickBank. If you are not able to open a ClickBank account, so ShareAsell is another option for you. So the next one I want to mention here in my list is Awiba. Awiba. So this is another um Awiba is an email marketing platform. So this is an email marketing platform. So Awiba is an email marketing platform that you can promote to people and then make money from it. The next one in my list here, another web platform you can register as an affiliate is Beaver Builder. This another website builder that you can promote to people that are interested in building website but they don't have coding knowledge. So Beaver is another platform that can create website for free for you. So you can join their affiliate and then promote it to people. The next one is Bluehost. Bluehost is another web hosting platform. So you can promote Bluehost to people and make money from it. The next one in my list here is Cloudways. Cloudways is another hosting platform. So you can promote Cloudways to people and make money from it. The next one in my list here is Divi. Divi is another website builder. Build a website in a minute. So you can promote this to people that wants to build website that doesn't have a coding knowledge. The next one here in my list is Elementor. Elementor is another website builder out there that you can, with a single click, you build a website for free. So you can use this to, you can sign up to Elementor as an affiliate and make money from it. The next one here in my list is GoDaddy. GoDaddy is another website, another domain and a web hosting company that you can join their affiliate and make money from it. So That is another one. The another one here that I have in my list is Hostinger, another website and another domain and hosting platform that you can join as an affiliate and promote their platform to make money from it. The next one here in my list is HostGator. This is another web hosting company, so you can promote it. You can promote HostGator to your subscribers and make money from it. The next one here in my list is Kingstar. Kingstar is another web hosting company out there that you can join as an affiliate. I have here another one in my list here, MailChimp. MailChimp is another email marketing platform, so you can promote MailChimp to your customers and make money from it. Another one here is Namecheap. We have a Namecheap here. Namecheap here is another popular web hosting company out there, so you can promote Namecheap as an affiliate and make money from it. The next one here in my list is Pretty Links. This is another affiliate marketplace that you can promote out there. Another one here is SEMrush. SEMrush here is an SEO tool. You can use SEMrush. So you use SEMrush to do keyword research and other SEO, activities to run your website. So you can promote SEMrush to people and make money from it. Another one here is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy here is a platform that you can use to run your YouTube channel. Use it to make video YouTube video research and manage your YouTube channel. So you can promote TubeBuddy as an affiliate and make money from it. Another one here in my list is Tasty Affiliate. Tasty Affiliate is an affiliate link management plugin. This is an affiliate link management plugin, so you can promote this as an affiliate and make money from it. So these are the ones that I have for today. If you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any question, any doubt, feel free to go to the comment section and drop your comments there, and I will be there to answer any question at all that you may ask. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.